very clearly on that replay. It looked like a slip, but nonetheless, itinawag na ng ating referee yan at umpisa na tayo sa round number 3.
And because it was called a knockdown, binigyan, well, the Amateur is called the other one was 10-8. By the way, at the end of 2 rounds, Manny has landed 23 punches. Wawalo lang ang nalalanding ni Algieri, so it's been a one-sided fight so far. Which is surprising, Canito. We know that Algieri comes into this fight with one of the highest work rates in the welterweight and light welterweight division. They say it's about 90 punches, albeit not all power. No, he throws a lot of punches on about the 90 level per round. But right now, Manny is out-punching him in terms of attempts.
Well, obviously, we all know about the work rate of Manny Pacquiao as well. Pero parang ito si Chris Algieri has gone on defensive mode really more than anything else. Kaya medyo bumaba yung kanyang work rate na pinag-uusapan natin.
That's right. But Manny has to shorten the distance. Manny's been missing. Kasi masyadong malayo si Algieri. Algieri's keeping a safe distance away.
You can see there Manny being very calculating here.
Any goals na nakikita natin? Kumakagat sa paint ni Manny si Algieri. Manny gives him a little bit of a fade and you see there's a reaction from Algieri. So kumakagat siya. And for Manny, you've got to know that that's happening. Take advantage. Right hand counter by Manny already connected early. Algieri is still keeping the pace and rhythm of moving backward and trying to leave something behind for Manny as he attacks.
Inaasahan niya na makita ng mga judges yun pagdating sa end of the day when they come up with their scorecards.
Oh, nice shot. Right hand. The right hand lead of Algieri is something that he should be using on a regular basis aside from the jab. Again, tandaan po natin yung reach and height advantage. No? Nandiyan yan, hindi po mawawala yan.
I think when you see the movement of Algieri, he's really trying to make Manny work as far as Manny's trying to chase him down.
He's keeping a safe distance away. Tama yung ginagawa ni Algieri. Even if that left jab is not landing, at least it's keeping Manny away from him. That's right.
And again, Manny, as always, on attack mode. Hinahabol pa rin si Algieri. Let's have Algieri in trouble. But he comes up with a big right, talking about Chris.
You know, the left hand of Algieri is slightly down. It's giving Manny an opening with the right hand. You see the left hand. He throws it out of a jab position to Algieri, but when he brings it back, it gives a nice opening for Manny for the right hand. The overhand right.